Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification button for more updates.
Yes, I was not going to address this, but I can see it needs my attention. I've never had any sexual encounter with Mpumelelo Msaleko. I saw on my ancestors' life. I've never. I met him when he...
So guys, there's been allegation about Gogo Skhotheni dating Mpumelelo Maseko, and that turned into a drama. So guys, today's Gogo Skhotheni took to Twitter to address the allegations that are made against her, and we can see that in that video guys, she mentions a lot of things. Please guys, do comment below and do subscribe.
Yes, I was not going to address this, but I can see it needs my attention. I've never had any sexual encounter with Mpumelelo Msaleko. I saw on my ancestors' life. I've never. I met him when he had to come to my podcast. Even my ex-husband would testify on this if he could. I respected my marriage, never involved a third party. Emshadweni wami. Emshadweni wami asikaze sibanga umuntu wesithathu, guys. Not even giving each other signs that we are doing each other like that. Just because we're separated does not mean it's because of a third party. So when I say sokhuluma lezinto ngiyakubona nje, I was thinking of suing you, but ngiyakubona ukuthi uyisu nje uyihambela. Impilo yakho isuwe wena. And you playing those voice notes thinking, no. Don't try to involve battles that you know very well, Guti. They've been there. Me and that girl on the voice note, yes, we don't get along. So I'm not expecting anything good coming from her. Ngam. And sis, we've never been friends, now else. When you came in Dumbinam seeking for help, we've never been friends. Go look for professional help because ngiyabona ukuthi right la. Qhubeka udliwe wethu ungasifaki thina. Akusiyonke intombazana ephumelelile edliwayo, akusiyonke intombazana enhle edliwayo. Qhubeka udliwe wena ube ile object ungasifaki lapho. Asihloniphaneni guys. Lokhu ikhalise ukhalelani. Angiphapheli mina sisi. Cela ungihloniphe. No.